The issue with these diets and these low calorie diets is that people are not getting to the root of why they're so hungry. They're just eating less. So they're keeping themselves hungry, they're keeping all these cravings and forcing themselves to not satisfy the cravings. If you get rid of the hunger and the cravings, which I will teach you how to do, link down below for my ebook, if you actually get rid of the insatiable hunger and cravings, you can eat as much as you want because you won't have the appetite of a fat person. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diamond, and if you don't know me, I'm Diamond. I lost over 60 pounds with the information that I'm sharing with you, and I'm here to help you lose weight and reclaim your health. So today's video is going to be, how do I eat as much food as I want and still stay skinny? So stay tuned because I'm going to give you guys some really, really good tips. Okay, make sure you watch the whole video through because I'm going to be giving you guys some real gems. So the first thing that is most important is figuring out why you're so hungry. A lot of people recommend calorie deficits and eating everything in moderation for weight loss, but those things don't actually get to the root of the problem when it comes to your weight loss journey. Because if you pay attention, people that are fat are so hungry and they eat the most calories. Why are they so hungry? Let's get into that. Let's figure out why we're so hungry and fix that so that we don't even have the appetite of someone that's fat. I posted a video not too long ago, how to have the appetite of a skinny person even though you're fat. So go check out that video because that should be really, really helpful for you as well. But you want to get to the root of the issue. The actual issue is that you're having insatiable hunger and cravings due to the kinds of foods that you're eating. Your body has more than enough body fat to use as energy, but you haven't learned how to tap into body fat as a source of energy so that you don't need a spike of sugar as an energy source. Okay? You are addicted to sugar and carbohydrates. If you want to learn how to get rid of your addiction to sugar and carbohydrates, how to no longer be insatiably hunger and have all these unnecessary cravings that are stalling your weight loss, keeping you fat, check out my ebook, guys. The link is down below for my ebook. It will teach you exactly how to do all of those things, and it will give you all the information that has helped me lose over 60 pounds and has helped countless others lose significant amounts of weight. But back to what I was saying. You want to figure out the underlying issue underneath you eating such a high calorie surplus, because a lot of people say that the issue with weight loss is that you're eating in a calorie surplus. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, you guys, because why are you eating in a calorie surplus? They never get into that part. They never get into that part. They only want to talk about, well, just minimize your calories and eat less. But see, the issue with these diets and these low calorie diets is that people are not getting to the root of why they're so hungry. They're just eating less. So they're keeping themselves hungry, they're keeping all these cravings and forcing themselves to not satisfy the cravings. If you get rid of the hunger and the cravings, you can eat as much as you want because you won't have the appetite of a fat person. Okay? That is how you lose weight. Not just counting calories and forcing yourself to eat half of what you've been eating or 3/4 of what you've been eating. What you need to be doing is focus on the content of the food that you're eating. Make sure you're eating food that is nutrient dense. You're not eating empty calories. You're not eating empty carbohydrates and sugars. Focus on the content of the food so that way you won't even be so hungry to where you feel the need to eat everything in sight. Okay? And this is something that I struggled with as well. When I was 189 pounds, I used to have such an issue with overeating because I wasn't tapped into fat burning. I didn't know how to use my body fat as an energy source. So I needed the sugar and the carbs for my energy to rev up my energy because I wasn't able to use my body fat as energy. The issue with fat people is that they have so many calories of body fat to use as energy, yet they're choosing to use sugar and carbs as their energy source. So the sugar and carbs compiles as more body fat, and then you never actually tap into the body fat for energy. Because body fat is literally just stored energy, extra energy. If you learn how to use that energy, you won't be so hungry. Another tip, like I was saying before, you want to be eating nutrient dense foods. There are 5 main food groups that I always recommend eating in order to lose weight. Okay, and I'll make a separate video on the 5 food groups that you should be focused on your weight loss journey, because that will help you tremendously. But you want to make sure you're eating your nutrient dense foods. You're making sure you're getting in your protein, your fat, your fiber, etc., etc. Okay, because those kinds of foods are what are filling. You want to eat foods that are filling. You don't want to eat a bunch of bread and a bunch of high carb, high sugar foods that have no nutritional value and that are keeping you hungry, keeping you craving, and keeping you fat. You understand what I'm saying? Focus on the content of your food, not just the calories, you guys. Focus on the content of your food. Make sure that it has a lot of nutrients, it's nutrient dense, and it's not causing insatiable hunger due to the high blood sugar spikes and insulin spikes. Okay. Another tip on how I'm able to eat as much as I want and still stay skinny is fasting. I do long fasts, you guys. I intermittent fast every single day. And the reason why I'm able to do such long fasts is because I'm tapped into fat burning. The reason why my body is naturally in a state of fat burning at all times is because I am eating food that doesn't trigger me to use sugar as an energy source. So because my body is naturally in a state of fat burning, I can go a much longer time without eating, right? I can fast for very long and not even be hungry because my body's in a state of ketosis. Ketosis means a state of fat burning. Because my body is in that state, I can go a very long time without eating. Sometimes even forget to eat because of the state that I've programmed my body to be in. It's a metabolic state that is the most healthiest state to be in for humans. And as a matter of fact, a lot of people try to demonize ketosis and the keto diet because they say, well, it's not natural for your body to be producing too many ketones, et cetera, et cetera. But humans' bodies since the caveman days have been in a state of ketosis. That is our most natural state to be in, is in a state of ketosis where we're using body fat as an energy source. Remember that it's not normal for humans to have access to this much sugar and this much carbohydrate. We are not used to eating this much sugar and this much carbohydrate, and we're also not used to eating as frequently as the United States is trying to get people to eat. The United States is trying to get people to eat such high carb foods, high sugar foods on such a frequent basis that is why so many people are fat. Think about the fact that the United States has such a high obesity rate. And it's because of all these starches, all these sugars, and how frequently we're eating. So, those are the 3 tips on how I am able to eat as much as I want while still staying skinny. I focus on my nutrition. I focus on eating foods that don't spike my blood sugar, that don't make me hungry, that don't make me have a bunch of cravings. And I focus on eating nutrient dense food. I am able to fast for a long time because I focus on the nutrition of my food. Okay. So there you have it, you guys. I really hope that video was helpful. Make sure you guys like the video if it helped you. Make sure you're subscribed and comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.